Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I'm back with one of Todd's tools again. And this is the 3M VersaFlow TR300 fan unit. But I don't think that's the whole designation for that. But basically what I'm talking about is this whole 3M system here with a powered ventilator, mask and so on. And I'm going to take that off because I look like an alien or a weirdo with that on. But it is just fantastic. So it's not a tool, it doesn't allow me to achieve things, but my goodness, it keeps me safe. So it was a friend of mine, Owen Bush, who used to wear them. He sort of introduced me to them. I think even the older system than this, I think there's a newer system than this one now. I've had this 8 years. But these 3M systems are brilliant. So my friend Owen introduced me to them and I looked at it, and because you've got this great big hose pipe that goes down your back, I've got a workshop that's not, it's not massive, there's not loads of room. And I just thought that this was just going to be awkward, it was going to get caught everywhere, it'd be difficult to wear, it would be cumbersome. It just didn't look great. I can wear this all day, 8-10 hour shift, no problems, doesn't bother me at all. It can be a little bit noisy in there sometimes, but you've got earplugs in anyway. It's just fantastic. It doesn't get tangled with things, it doesn't really make life awkward. It's just brilliant. So if you're looking for a powered respirator, and the other thing as well is actually because I wear glasses and I've got a slightly weirdly shaped nose, I really struggle to get that kind of mask which doesn't make my glasses steam up. And this doesn't, so I can wear it effortlessly all day, glasses don't steam up, breathe really easily, it doesn't restrict your breathing like a regular mask. It's just absolutely brilliant bit of kit. So I will tour you round with it. So what we have got is, like I say, that one's actually a little bit broken now. I've had it so long, but you got an exchangeable battery pack that will run you all day, basically. So that's fine. Then you've got a filter pack in here. You can get different filter cartridges for it. This is not an advert for 3M. I don't work for them. This is just interest for me, really. But you've got the filter pack in there. You can get different ones, so you can get ones that scrub out organics and really quite nasty stuff as well. This is just a regular dust filter. But anyway, so you can change those. You've got a fan unit there, button goes on, just runs through the assorted lights, battery power, filter condition, that kind of thing. Anyway, it's all very normal, I'm sure. And then in the top here, got a regular kind of helmet, air hose that goes down, mask and a hood. You can get these with a welding mask as well. Brazing. So you can get them with the green, you can get them with the full shutdown welding visor. I don't have one actually, I don't do enough welding to warrant that. But again, absolutely brilliant. And then, because as you can see, the whole front gets, dirty and scratched, just got a disposable tear off strip on there. So that's it, 3M VersaFlow M300. I'm not sure if that, M300. So 300 system, that's what this system is. And it is just the best, £1,000 or whatever it might be, that you're ever going to spend. They are just fantastic. But I'm just going to show you a little bit here. This is what brought it up, actually. I was doing a bit of blade grinding, and I thought this absolutely clearly shows you why you should always wear eye protection. Because you might not realise it, but when you look at it in the darkness, just check this out. Quite a lot of that stuff is coming straight from my face. And you've only got one set of eyes. So, that's it. 3M VersaFlow helmet. Tool of the day for me. See you guys.